Hello and welcome to ADTU Unplugged, a podcast series where we bring you conversations that shape informed academic decisions and future ready careers. I'm your host Neha, and today we are going to deep dive into one of the future ready careers, that is, into MSc AI ML. And to talk more about it, we have with us our guest today, Dr. Jayashree Prasad. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So, ma'am, would you like to share that how this MSc AI ML course is different from the other AI courses?
This MSc Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is a 2 years postgraduate program where we create postgraduates who not only know artificial intelligence but they are capable of creating and innovating intelligent systems. So, the core vision behind this PG program is centered around an idea that artificial intelligence is not only just a tool, but it is a transformative force across industries like healthcare, fintech, agriculture, and smart cities. And with that intention, this PG program is structured around the progression from, say, foundation of AI, application of AI, and innovation into AI ML. So, this progression leads students from building their foundational knowledge till they build the intelligent systems. So, students begin by formulating their conceptual knowledge, foundational knowledge in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Throughout this process, they build their confidence in building real world solutions to real world problems. And finally, they evolve into the creators of AI ML systems where they are capable of doing research, product development, innovation, entrepreneurship, assignments, and so on. So, the idea is basically to shift the students from being AI consumers or AI learners to AI creators.
Well, that's a great way to set the context and the vision beyond. So, how would you, how would you share the curriculum that has been drafted, that has been created, and how this transformative academic journey would be carried along with this course?
I'm very happy to tell you that this curriculum is thoughtfully created to impart a powerful educational curve or powerful learning curve. The students start with mathematical foundations for data science, which strengthens their analytical skills. Then they also learn data structures and algorithm, which is a very important subject for efficient problem solving. At the same time, they start learning foundations of artificial intelligence, which is a very core subject. And this specialization belongs to AI ML. So they start their journey by learning foundations of artificial intelligence. They also learn exploratory data analysis, where they start learning about real world data sets, and they start learning how to handle these real world data sets and what are challenges in handling these data sets. And the most important tool that they use in building these AI systems is the Python course. So, this is what they learn in the first semester. They progress into the second semester by learning advanced mathematics, which they use for optimization of systems and modeling the systems. They also learn some data visualization techniques by experimenting with the data sets. They also then deep dive into, after artificial intelligence, they deep dive into machine learning concepts. They learn supervised learning, unsupervised learning. They learn the introduction to reinforcement learning as well, the concepts like classification, regression, and so on. And in the second semester, they deep dive into advanced Python, which is very much necessary to build advanced and scalable systems.
Well, that really gives us a clear picture of how this program is structured.
Yes.
Well, many students are also looking forward for the hands-on training, and so could you just share that how this program is designed further so that the students can get the hands-on learning experience?
Yes, the hands-on labs in terms of Python, they are designed in such a way that the students, first of all, we ask them to choose the real-world problems. These problems are curated through our industry collaborations and our research contributions. So we have carefully designed these labs so that students have gain access to real world data sets. We ask them to formulate the problem statements using these real world data sets. Then they not only learn the algorithms in their theory, they start implementing these algorithms. At the same time, when we talk about AI and machine learning models, they learn and study AI machine learning models in their theory, and they start building these models actually with the libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras. They also start evaluating these models with appropriate metrics. They also test these with different type of environments, and at the end they are able to convert the theoretical knowledge that they are learning in the theory subjects into the working systems developed using Python, scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow libraries.
Well, that's quite reassuring to see such a strong focus on the practical approach as well as on the real world applications, as you mentioned. You also mentioned earlier something about innovation. So, how would you like to explain the impact of the research culture into this program?
Yes, that is, I think, the USP of this program, which differentiates it from the PG programs, especially in science, from other universities that they offer. We have incorporated a dedicated subject which is called as research writing and scientific communication, where a dedicated team of teachers teach them the research methodology. So, in this research methodology, again, they start with identification of significant problems in the society, and then they start building solutions around it. They are trained to convert this into research paper through scientific writing and communication sessions. They start writing their problem statements. They are given inputs for doing literature surveys. They write the research papers. We help them to communicate these research papers to appropriate ranked conferences and journals. They also finalize the appropriate methodologies, algorithms, novel algorithms, using the latest state of the art techniques. They are capable of submitting papers to different journals, conferences, and the results are appreciated at different forums. So, through this RWSC, research writing and communication skills theory, we are able to convert their ideas and their innovative programming skills into the intellectual property rights, papers, publications, and sometimes to patents also.
Well, that's inspiring. That means this program is not just creating learners, but you are also creating the solution oriented innovators.
Yes.
That's wonderful. Well, what type of skill sets would the student be graduating with after completing this program?
Um, yes, we have seen students transforming into truly all round professionals. They are capable of using their theoretical knowledge in the practical industry. So, we see them transforming and evolving into the technology creators, problem solvers, data driven decision makers. They are also becoming responsible AI citizens because we focus on the rational behavior and responsible AI ethics in the curriculum. So these are all the skill set. They are capable of converting their ideas into powerful, efficient solutions through analytical skills, problem solving techniques, and they evolve into the entrepreneurs also. Sometimes most of the students we have witnessed, because they also inculcate the entrepreneurship and innovation mindset through this curriculum.
Well, that's exactly what the holistic skill set the students must possess today for their competitive advantage. So that brings down to the next question, that after they are equipped with all these skills, a 360-degree development, what type of career opportunities would be opening up after the completion of this program?
Good question. We have seen students transforming into artificial intelligence and machine learning engineers, where they are designing intelligent systems for various companies. They also have opportunity to work as data scientists in various companies, where they are analyzing the data and extracting and curating valuable insights from the data. They are also working as artificial intelligence developers, AI developers, where they are working in the domain of coding. They are efficiently able to code the intelligent systems. Some of the students are also evolving as research scientists. They are playing some important roles in various industries in the research and development domain. So we have seen, above all, we have seen some of the students venturing into their own startups. So that is what is the differentiating factor of our PG program from other PG programs providing in terms of science, MSc in AI/ML.
Well, that's truly an exciting wide range of the opportunities that you have just shared. Now, this brings me for the last question here. What truly sets apart this program from the other AI/ML programs?
Okay, I have already told you that this program generates the students, postgraduate students, which are having skills at par with the engineering students, because we are delivering this syllabus in the engineering department. There is an engineering touch to this MSc program. At the same time, I must tell you that integration of mathematics and artificial intelligence into this career makes it a strong foundation for setting up the or strengthening up the analytical abilities, strong computational and analytical abilities, I would improvise among the students. So, integration of mathematics and AI. Second, the project based learning approach and hands on training approach throughout our labs and mini projects gives them strength and confidence to apply the theoretical knowledge into the practical working systems that they develop through these mini projects. And last but not the least, the innovation and research mindset in the overall atmosphere and culture at MIT ADT University. The rich research and innovation culture creates a research and innovation mindset among the students, which truly sets them apart from rest of the PG programs in the real educational environment today.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving all the answers so easily. And with this, we come to the end of this podcast series. And to all our viewers and listeners, those who would like to create an impactful and empowering career in AI/ML, then this is the program for you. So, this is your host, Neha, and we shall be meeting at ADTU Unplugged podcast series once again with a new host and new topic. Till then, stay tuned with us. Thank you.
Thank you.